Tido, you wash the car because later we will pick up Mama in the airport. So you need to wash the car properly so that the car is clean. Mama will give you a toy.
We're going to pick up Mama.
Of course.
Yay!
You miss Mama? You love Mama? Very good. What? Why are you scared of the mascot?
That's why all the mascots are scary.
But you look like a mascot already.
That's my birthday cake.
Why?
That's why the cake is so scary.
You have a mascot before on your birthday?
Yeah.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know.
Where am I? That time.
You're on the boat, Daddy. If you're always on the boat, you didn't come on New Year.
Yeah, because Daddy's working eh.
That's why you didn't go faster.
Oh, this. I will take your video. Wash it properly, ah. So I'm gonna send it to Mama. So I'm gonna send it to Mommy.
I will clean this.
Huh?
Daddy, you do it also. Daddy, not clean that yet. I'm still cleaning.
Yeah, you make it faster now because we're going to wash up and then you go to sleep. Not there, only in the car. This one, oh. Yeah. There's a soap. Are you happy? Oh. Oh, say bye na. To the video. Say bye to the video. Wala, one area tapos sila behind ba o advance? Oo. Wala na. Pero sa boarding meron pa yan eh.
Daddy, first I'm going to eat donuts.
Oh, you go to Papa na.
Wait.
Give me na. I'm going to finish washing na. Yeah. Oh, you go to Papa na. Eat donut. Oh. You looking with your friend? Oh, sino? Yeah. You go to Papa na. You eat donut. I'm scared.